Would you believe me if I told you that there was a 200-watt solar panel inside this box? Guess what? There is. This is a 200-watt hyper flexible solar panel from Bouge RV. Let's go check it out. So we got a nice big blue sky today. It's still in the 40s because we've got our cold front has come through again. Obviously, the advantage to this thing is the weight. It only weighs 6 pounds, and also its extreme flexibility. I can't imagine how incredible that is, how tight you can roll this thing up. So let's take a look. So here it is. This thing is 82 by 27, weighs just over 6 pounds. There's a couple of different versions of this. Mine has these punched holes on the side, which I just figured would be easier to deal with. They make a version that's got like double stick tape on the bottom. So if you've got a boat or a teardrop RV, you can kind of meet the curve on that. That is just incredible how thin and how flexible this is. That is just something else. So this is rated at 24 volts at 8 amps to get you to 200 watts. So let's plug it in and see what kind of output we get. So here is my new Pecron power station, which has up to a 60 volt input. And it kicked on. $60 watts, still climbing. Sun's coming out nice. 75 watts, 79, 80. See if you can see that. 108, 109. See right here. And I'm going to try tilting the panel and just see what happens. $175, 180, 190, 199, 200. There it is. We got 200 watts and climbing. Very cool. So obviously the strength here is in the flexibility, but it's also really good about shading. So here I've got it covered up, and I'm still getting 90 watts out of this. Because you're going to likely use this on a curved surface, you are going to have struggles aiming it in a perfect manner. You know, off frame, I was holding it like this, and now the power is immediately climbing 130, 140 watts. So you're trading off ease of installation for kind of difficulty of perfect aiming. So we do have kind of a unique situation here. But again, this thing is super, super, super lightweight. I have 200-watt glass panels out in my garage that weigh a whole lot more than this. So if you're doing a poor man's fiberglass foamy camper where like every pound is important, this is a really cool option. You also, because this thing rolls up the size of a sleeping bag, you could use this instead of one of those folding solar panels. It weighs less and kind of takes up less room. And don't forget the battery. Solar panel needs to charge something. So if you're building an ultra small, ultra lightweight, foamy or teardrop camper, the 100 amp hour mini from Wattcycle is a great match for it. You see how tiny this thing is. I got some great discount codes down below for both the panel and the batteries. Check it out. Now let's see if we can break it. Can you do that with a glass panel? I don't think so. Still works. 75 watts and climbing. So that's really, really impressive for durability. Wow, that was really cool. 120 watts, still going. So definitely a niche product. Is quite expensive, but fills a very specific role of extreme durability, extreme flexibility, incredibly low weight. It's amazing how much power you can get out of something that is this lightweight and is like a millimeter thick. That's just really unbelievable. So thanks for watching, everybody. I got some discount links down below. Check them out if you think this might be a good product for you, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.